There are certain indications in a relationship that signal more than just the ups and downs of intimate partnership or a difficult phase you're going through. These indications are not only red flags, they're stop signs. For example, emotional support builds trust and intimacy, two of the bedrocks of a healthy relationship. When your partner consistently invalidates your emotions by making you feel like an emotional train wreck for expressing your feelings, it can create a seismic fault line in your relationship. Other signs of serious trouble are your partner's intimidation, criticism, and not taking responsibility for hurting you, or switching between being warm and loving to being critical and cruel. Gaslighting, or an attempt to make you doubt your reality, is another hazard zone in your relationship that's not going to mend easily. These disturbing behaviors undermine the relationship by eroding trust and intimacy and will eventually create what you could call a seismic shift in your relationship. Seeing these signs as cracks in the foundation of your relationship that will ultimately split you apart is not easy. It requires courage to face the truth that a relationship built on this faulty landscape is not likely to provide the love, respect, and security you want and need. Recognizing this truth is not a failure, it's a strength. The sooner you take action against these widening gaps in your relationship, the sooner you'll recognize if there are ways to close the gaps or make the decision whether to move on to safer ground.